So this is a continuation video, the second part we are seeing in this video. So previously we practiced till inserting data, and in this video we will see how we can display those data which we inserted previously. So let's go to the editor and let's see the data. So here one more thing I need to say: if you wish to know the structure of the table, the command will be describe, then the table name. In place of describe we can write desk also in short, okay, but the command is describe employee information or the table name, whatever you wish to, you have given before, you can specify. So here we are going to see the describe in the sense it will show you the structure of the table. So knowing the structure of the table, we can insert the data in a sequence. So now let's see how can we display the data which is available in the table. So we can make the statement here as display the records of a table. Display the records of a table. So the command will be select, then we can use star sign. Star sign for what, students? Star means all the columns of the table. So in our table we had how many columns? We had 4 columns, that is employee number, name, then gender, then salary. So all the column it will display, and the table name we kept as EMP-INF. So let's try this command practically. Select star from EMP-INF. So as I have 13 number of record in my table, so all 13 number of record it is showing, and as I have entered, accordingly it will show you. It means I entered the 12th number record at first, then 11th second, then 10th third. Fine. So it will show you accordingly. Later on we will learn how can we sort them and how can we arrange them. Fine, students. So now let's learn how can we display particular kind of record. Suppose the command is display particular column, display the records of, or display particular column of a table. Suppose particular column, I don't want to use star sign, I don't want to display all the columns, I want to see only few columns of it. So I can specify here in place of star, I can specify select, then the table, the column name, thereafter I can specify the column name, then from table name I can specify. So it means here I specified only 2 columns, that is employee number and name of the employee. So that is what it is going to show me. So select EMP NO, name of the employee from table name. Okay, as it is not case sensitive, so we can write as we wish. Only thing, the spelling has to be correct. The command spelling as well as the column name has to be correct. So see, employee name as well as the employee number and name both are displaying on the table, as well as always it will give you the message that number of record you are having and how many number of what time you finish the coding. Clear, students? Now suppose we want to display the, this is how we can display the records in columns. In particular column we can specify some conditions. Now let's put the condition on the rows, So we can specify how. Now display only the male record or female record, display only the male records. So the command will be what? Select. If I wish to display only the male record, only the female record, so and all the columns, so in that case select star from employee name, the table name, thereafter I can specify here where is a clause. Where is what? It is a clause where the gender equal to, we can specify male. So if I wish to display only the male record, so the command will be like this. Let's try here. So select star from EMP-INF. Fine. EMPINF. Then we can add here the clause as where gender equal to male. So only the male record it will bring to the screen. Okay, only the male record it is bringing to the screen. There are how many number of male? 8 rows are showing, so it means 8 records are there as male in my table out of 13. Fine. So next, suppose we wish to apply the where clause on a numerical data, means on salary. So I can specify the same thing. The explanation is display only the records whose salary is more than say 12,000. Fine. So how can I add this? Check how the command will be. I can apply the same select command, select from employee INF where. So after where we need to specify the column name, that is salary greater than equal to how much the salary we decided. We decided for 12,000. So let's specify here 12,000. Okay, semicolon. So there are 4 employees whose salary is more than or equal to 12,000. Fine. We can use in between also. So how? Let's check how we can use in between operator. Suppose I want to display the salary, the person's salary in between some particular salary. Select. So here between clause we will use. So how the between clause we are using, you please see. Select star from EMPINF. The table name I need to specify always EMPINF where salary is greater than equal to, we can specify suppose 8,000 and salary less than equal to 12,000. So it means I want to see the records. So I want to display the records of the employees whose salary is in between 8 and 12,000. So that is what my motto. So let's check. Select star from EMPINF, that is the table name where salary greater than equal to what I gave as, how much I gave, 8,000. So I can specify here 8,000 and salary less than equal to 12,000, semicolon. So there are 6 employees whose salary comes in between 8,000 and 12,000. Fine. Now the opposite of this between is not between. So I can use here not between also. Not between. So not between is what? The same command I am applying for not between. You check. So in case of between, I need to specify what? In case of between, I need to specify what? Not between. So here I am giving suppose not between. So here what we can use, where salary, let's write from the beginning, where salary not between we can use. So there is a between clause also. So we can use not between what? 8,000 and 12,000. Fine. So let's try this. In spite of writing like this, in spite of writing using the AND operator, we can specify here where salary between 8,000 and 12,000. We can use operator as well. So see, the same output it is showing, as well as we can use, as my question was for not between, so we can use not between also. Fine. Here so see, there are 7 employees are comes on in between, not between, sorry, 8,000 and 12,000.